Candy Sugarman, Play Big Online Marketing. So let me ask you a question, and go ahead, answer honestly. Nobody's paying attention. Um, do you really like your social media marketing? No, I mean, really, think about it. I work with a number of clients, and they've used other social media people before, and I've gotten turned down by a number of clients or prospects who went with other social media companies. And then I look and I see their social media, and it's boring and it's not engaging, and it is so much about sales, and there's no nice graphics. I mean, it's not pretty. Now, not everybody's social media has to look alike. I mean, Depends Undergarment has a great social media Facebook page, and how they act is certainly going to be different than, say, Coca-Cola or your company. But I want you to really like what your social media marketing campaign is doing. And if you don't, then you know what? Contact me. There's a link somewhere. And contact me, and we can do a consultation. We could talk about how to make your marketing more reflective of your brand, your value, and of you. Candy Sugarman, Play Big Online Marketing.